Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm about to uncover something that speaks volumes, even when we're not saying a word: gestures and body language. It's crazy how much we communicate through these small, subtle movements. Whether you're aware of it or not, they're constantly shaping how others perceive you. Ever notice when someone crosses their arms, gives you a thumbs up, or points their finger? These are all gestures, and they carry a lot of meaning. Let's dive in and see how much power these little movements truly have. So, what exactly are gestures? Simply put, gestures are any movement we make with our hands, arms, or face that carries meaning. They're like the unspoken language of communication. Even though we might not always think about them, they can say more than our words ever could. Think about it. When we talk, our hands naturally move. And sometimes our body language can completely change the tone of a conversation. It's pretty wild how much impact these small actions have. We all use gestures daily, probably more than you even realize. From waving hello to giving a thumbs up, to signaling someone to come closer, they're all around us. We use gestures at work, at home, in conversations, and even in casual encounters on the street. It's our body's way of adding depth to what we say, without needing a single word. Alright, let's break down some common gestures and what they really mean. First up, the classic thumbs up. It's universally understood as a sign of approval or affirmation. Whether you're giving someone a good job or simply saying everything's cool, this gesture packs a positive punch. Now let's talk about crossing your arms. This one can be tricky. It might look like you're just comfortable, but sometimes it gives off a defensive vibe. The key is context. If someone's relaxed while crossing their arms, they might just be in their own world. But if they seem tense, it could signal they're not feeling open. And pointing, well, it can be a little touchy. Pointing can feel confrontational if done the wrong way, so be mindful. A friendly gesture is all about how you point, not just where you point. Now let's talk about how to use gestures effectively. First things first, be aware of what your body's saying. A simple gesture like a nod can show you're actively listening and engaged. Want to make someone feel included? Use open gestures. Avoid crossing your arms or fidgeting, as that can create distance or even make others uncomfortable. When used intentionally, your gestures can enhance your communication, build trust, and make you seem more approachable. That's a wrap for today's deep dive into gestures and body language. These tiny, almost automatic movements hold so much power in how we connect with others and communicate our intentions. If you want to learn more about how to read people, boost your confidence, and improve your communication skills with body language, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Stay tuned because there's a lot more coming your way. I'll be sharing even more tips on how to use body language to level up your interactions. Catch you in the next one.